In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite a photo in Google Photos on iPhone. If you've ever scrolled through hundreds of pictures looking for the one shot you love, this quick tip will save you time. Favoriting a photo in Google Photos marks it as special and automatically collects it in one easy-to-find place called Favorites. It doesn't change or duplicate your photo, it simply adds a helpful tag you can use later. First, open the Google Photos app on your iPhone. If you haven't opened it in a while, give it a moment to refresh. You'll want to be on the main screen of the app so everything is up to date. This is where your photos are organized and ready to browse. Next, tap Photos at the bottom of the screen. This view shows your entire library in chronological order, making it simple to scan through your memories. You can scroll to navigate through days, weeks, and months, and pinch to zoom in or out on the timeline for a tighter or wider view. If you've got a specific picture in mind, using the search bar at the top can help narrow things down by people, places, or keywords. Now find the photo you want to favorite and open it. Take a quick look to confirm it's the exact shot you want to highlight. When you're ready, look toward the top of the screen for the star icon. Tap the star. You'll usually see the star change appearance, often from an outline to a filled star, indicating the favorite has been applied. And that's it. The photo is now added to your Favorites album automatically. Favorites is a smart album that keeps all your starred photos together for fast access anytime. Because Google Photos syncs across devices when you're signed in, your favorites will also be available on other phones, tablets, or on the web. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. If you change your mind, simply open the photo again and tap the star to remove it. The image stays in your library, just no longer marked as a favorite. Favoriting doesn't affect storage, editing, or sharing settings. It's just an organizational tool you control. And remember, this feature is part of Google Photos, which is separate from the iPhone's built-in Photos app. So favorites here live in Google Photos. Quick recap. Open Google Photos on your iPhone, tap Photos at the bottom, find the image you want, tap the star at the top, and your photo is instantly collected in Favorites. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for keeping your best shots at your fingertips.